So we've beaten the NLA in Luxembourg at the European Court of Justice, and this follows 5 years of hard work taking them on in the Copyright Tribunal, the High Court, the Court of Appeal, the Supreme Court, and now in Luxembourg. The judges ruled completely in our favour, and it's a great victory. Now, I'm really proud of the work we've done over the last 5 years. Everybody else rolled over, backed away, said it was too hard, too tough. I was told by somebody in the industry that pigs would fly before we beat the NLA. Well, they flew yesterday, and we've beaten the NLA, and I'm incredibly proud. What our victory over the NLA means is that you can download material, read newspaper content without breaking the law. The NLA's position was that when you clicked on a link on, say, the Daily Mail, somehow you were breaking copyright. That was absurd. By the ruling yesterday, we've set law in 28 countries, ensured the internet remains free and saved our members millions of pounds. It's a great victory and the industry ought to celebrate it, and we've been delighted to have led the industry on this. Now, the NLA has tried to claim that this is somehow irrelevant. That's a completely absurd statement. They've spent a vast amount of money fighting this case. They were the ones who sued us in the High Court, after all. It completely undermines their whole business model. They rely for their money on end users requiring a license. That now won't be the case. Now, they've given the impression that they can somehow work around this, almost ignore the ruling of the court by just jacking up the bills they give to media monitoring companies. They should be very clear about our resolve here. We took them to the Copyright Tribunal before when they tried to bill too much. If they try and do this again, we will refer them once again to the Copyright Tribunal. They should be in no doubt that the PRCA does not mess around. We will take them to court again, and we will, as we have done so far, win again. Where do we go from here? Well, I think that in the run-up to the general election and the political parties publishing their manifestos, we need to give serious thought to our collecting societies fit for purpose in the modern age. We've seen the NLA try to extract more and more money out of our industry for delivering nothing at all. We've seen the CLA trying to do the same thing as well. Other collecting societies are in the same vein. Their models simply haven't moved with the modern world. And it's time for the PRCA to exert a little bit of political pressure and see if we can't change that law as well.